How to manage study time in boys or girls hostel? To manage study time in boys or girls hostel, there is a need to create study time master and mark study time attendance. To create study time master, click boys or girls hostel. Click boys or girls hostel study time master. Click new. Enter the required details. For example, enter a study time name. Enter the study time start time. Enter the study time end time. Enter the remarks if any. Click save. The operation will be completed successfully. To mark study time attendance, click boys hostel. Click boys hostel or girls hostel study time attendance. Select a block, class ID and study time. Enter a date. By default, all will be present. Uncheck the absentees. Click save. The operation will be completed successfully. These are the general steps to manage study time in boys or girls hostel in software.